Student, in this lecture we will study the mitosis in detail. It is a type of cell division. First, the term mitosis is given by Fleming. In plants, it is studied by Strasburg. In animal, it is studied by Walter Fleming. And the term mitosis is also given by Walter Fleming. What is the meaning of the mitosis? Mitosis derived from Greek word mitos. Mitos means thread and osis means state. It means in the mitosis process thread-like structure of the chromosomes are formed. So it is called the mitosis. What is the other name of the mitosis? Indirect cell division, somatic cell division, and third one, it is called equational division. First, it is called indirect cell division. Nucleus is not directly divided into the two cells. First of all, in the nucleus, chromosomes are formed by the condensation of the chromatin material. So it is called the indirect cell division. यानी कि पहले इसके न्यूक्लियस के अंदर थ्रेड लाइक स्ट्रक्चर है, उसे हम क्रोमैटिन्स बोलते हैं, वो कंडेंस होकर क्रोमोसोम बनाता है. सो इट इज कॉल्ड द इनडायरेक्ट. बट इन द माइटोसिस, एज वी हैव स्टडीड इन प्रीवियस लेक्चर, in mitosis nucleus directly divided into the two small nucleus. Second, it is called equational division. Cell division, because daughter cell and parent cell have the same number of chromosomes. Because daughter and parent cell have same number of chromosomes. Third, it is called somatic cell division. Because it occurs in the somatic cell. Of animal. Somatic cell also called body cell. Of animals. In the mitosis, a parent cell divided into the two cells. What is the mitosis? In which a parent cell divided into two daughter cell. It means mitosis में एक parent cell दो में divide हो जाती है, two cell, and this division is called mitosis. It occurs both in haploid and diploid cells. Haploid and diploid cells. और सोमैटिक सेल भी दोनों हो सकती हैं, हैप्लॉइड भी और डिप्लॉइड भी. haploid for N, diploid for 2N. Haploid contains single set of chromosome. As in gametes. Single set of chromosome haploid, the amount of DNA is present is called C value. सिंगल सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम में जितनी अमाउंट इसकी प्रेजेंट है सी वैल्यू क्या होती है? अमाउंट ऑफ डीएनए प्रेजेंट इन सिंगल सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम. Total amount, this value is called the C value. ठीक है. सिंगल सेट का हैप्लॉइड, टू सेट ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स है तो डिप्लॉइड. Diploids. Like this is the parent cell. It may be haploid or diploid. This cell undergoes the mitosis. It forms the two daughter cells. These are the daughter cells. And the region is the mitosis. It has the same number of chromosomes. If it is the haploid, it is the parent cell. It is the haploid, it is also haploid. If diploid, also diploid. So called equational division. Now the time period. जो टाइम पीरियड है इसका क्या रहता है माइटोसिस का? टाइम पीरियड इज 30 मिनट्स टू 3 आवर. ठीक है, 30 मिनट्स टू 3 आवर. ये डिपेंड्स किस पे करता है? टेम्परेचर पे भी डिपेंड करता है और टाइप ऑफ टिश्यू पे. डिपेंड्स अपॉन type of tissue and temperature. It is a species specific, यानी डिफरेंट स्पीशीज के अंदर इसका क्या होता है? टाइम पीरियड क्या होता है? डिफरेंट होता है. नाउ अकरेंस. In occurrence view, first these are occur in the somatic cells of animal. Somatic cell या body cell of animals. Somatic cell and germinal cell. Germinal cells किसमें होती है? Gonads, testes and ovary. और इनमें इसका कौन सा फेज होता है? ड्यूरिंग द मल्टीप्लिकेशन फेज. ड्यूरिंग मल्टीप्लिकेशन फेज ऑफ गैमेटोजेनेसिस. And during the process of cleavage step of cleavage, step. और प्लांट्स के केस में मेरिस्टेमेटिक टिश्यू, shows the process of the mitosis. In addition to these are also occur during embryonic development. Embryonic development plants की भी हो सकती है और एनिमल्स की. और cleavage is also step of embryonic development in animals. ठीक है. Somatic cell, germinal cell, these are of animals. In plants में meristematic tissue and during embryonic development. This is the brief account of the mitosis. Now, what are the steps involved during the mitosis? In mitosis, first step is called karyokinesis. Karyokinesis. Second is the cytokinesis. ठीक है. कैरियो में न्यूक्लियस का डिवीजन, साइटोकाइनेसिस में साइटोप्लाज्मा का डिवीजन. अब इसे याद कैसे करना है? कैरियोकाइनेसिस के पहले भी बताए थे कितने फेज है? 4 फेज. पी मैट, पी फॉर प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज and telophase. ठीक है. Cytokinesis is also 2 types in the plants and animals. Now we study one by one the process of the karyokinesis. Cell division जो process होता है ये continuous process होता है. इसमें कभी भी ऐसे नहीं है कि इसमें clear cut हमें पता चल जाए ये प्रोफेज है, ये मेटा है, ये एंड है. तो यानी कि कॉन्टिन्यूस चलता रहता है. क्लियर कट इसके अंदर ऑब्जर्वेशन नहीं होती. इसका एक और समझो.